Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel ang Biyahe y Komida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Punta tayo sa ating topic, February 3, 2026. Emilian Vigier na trauma sa ex-jowa, 3 years ng karelasyon si Joshua Garcia. 3 taon nang magkarelasyon ang kapamilya actor na si Joshua Garcia at ang content creator na si Emilian Vigier. Sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon ay nagkwento si Emilian sa Madlang People ng tungkol sa relationship nila ni Joshua. Para sa mga hindi pa aware, anak ng French national at isang Filipina si Emilian at bukod sa paggawa ng content sa social media ay isa rin siyang negosyante. Nakatsikahan ni DJ Chacha si Emilian para sa kanyang YouTube channel at dito nga niya nabanggit na kahit vlogger siya ay hindi siya masyadong nagpo-post about sa kanila ni Joshua. "We'd like to keep that private," ani Emilian na malaking tulong daw kaya, super peaceful, ang kanilang relasyon. "There are no eyes. They don't talk about your hurdles online." Natanong siya ni DJ Chacha kung ano ang feeling niya sa itinatakbo ng relasyon nila ni Joshua. "Super safe, love, you can tell. Very mature. We support each other, respect each other. We're very loyal to each other. You found your best friend, too. And you can be vulnerable." Aniya pa. Pinoprotektahan daw nila ang kanilang relasyon sa pamamagitan ng hindi pagse-share sa publiko ng mga kaganapan sa kanilang personal lives. "Because the life that you have with your partner, or the foundation that you're building with your partner, is between you two only. And that's another way of honoring your partner, your relationship, and showing respect to them. Whoever your partner is, you have to honor and respect their job. Kasi bago pa naging kayo, iyon na trabaho nila. And same for me," saad pa ng girlfriend ni Joshua. Sa tanong kung hindi ba mahirap magkaroon ng sikat na jowa, "Well, ako yung napapagod para sa kanya, damn, you work so much. But it's not hard cause I think we are mature enough to understand." Say naman ni Emilian sa usaping selos, "No. I think manhid na ako at this point." Pagpapatuloy pa ni Emilian, "Relationship-wise, I think what you and your partner have should be sacred. Should keep it to yourself. Yung problema nyo, or whatever, even if you're famous, regardless what you're doing in your life, you can post pictures, pero wag yung buong buhay nyo, di ba? Kung ako iyon, I'd feel like my partner is belittling me, parang I don't respect my partner if I do that," sabi pa niya. Mahalaga rin daw sa isang relasyon ang pagseset ng boundaries. You have to have boundaries when you're with somebody. Very important. That's like your non-negotiable. Boundaries are very important in order for a relationship to work. And you should honor that, lahad pa ng dalaga. Natuto na raw si Emilian sa masamang pinagdaanan noon mula sa isang narcissist na ex. "I will never lose myself ever again. If you're gonna love someone, make sure that you really do not lose yourself and your life. That was hard, past relationship. That was very traumatic because it was all like trauma bonding, love bombing, made me hate my life," revelasyon pa ng dalaga.
What have you learned from your past relationship or relationships na, kumbaga hindi mo na madadala dito sa previous relationship that you have?
I will never lose myself ever again. If you're gonna love someone, make sure that you really do not lose yourself and your life. Yeah, that was hard.
This was before Joshua?
Yeah, I've only had 3 jowas in my life.
So, pang third si... I like it when she's saying jowa. Na para bang hindi siya French, mga Mars. Sabi ko sa'yo, baklang-bakla din to eh.
Yep.
Okay, so you had 3 jowa, pang third si Joshua.
Yeah.
Okay.
But yeah, that was very traumatic because it was all like trauma bonding, love bombing, made me hate my life.
Panoorin ang buong video sa DJ Chacha YouTube channel at i-follow ang kanilang Instagram. E-click ang mga link sa description box. At yan ang ating latest showbiz chika update for today. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, i-click ang notification bell for more showbiz chika updates at suportahan po ang ating Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat. Adios.